Got a really cool piece of kit over here for our 2-ton Wacker ET20. We got Kinshofer's E440 4-in-1 clam bucket. Really cool piece of kit for these smaller machines. You see them a lot in the bigger equipment, but on these smaller ones it's a little harder to find. We got their 4-in-1 bucket that also acts as a grapple, a grading bucket, and a digging bucket. The really cool piece of this is we got their new rotating coupler. So this together paired, you can do a lot special applications where you're working in tight areas. If you're working right up against a foundation or an area where there's not a lot of wiggle room, you can actually really minimize the amount of other equipment that you need. Since you have the 2-in-1 bucket, you don't need to carry another bucket with you. Alright, so what's really cool about this coupler, not only does it rotate, but it's got all the hydraulics inside, which helps protect the hydraulics, as well as minimizes these hard lines or the flexible lines that are be sticking out. So when you take the bucket off, you actually have a hydraulic release in the cabin here. So we'll release the bucket after you release the couplings and the fittings here. But what that allows for you is just a cleaner package overall. Keeps it safe and minimizes all the hoses sticking around, because one of the biggest pain points is having hoses get pinched or dragged or caught on stuff. So this really minimizes that, and it makes it really easy to swap out a bucket.